Give y'all a few minutes for this lesson I'm finna give you today. You know what I'm saying? Cause I know you need it. I know you need it. I see too many people hustling, penny pinching. You need this work. You need this wisdom. You need this guidance. And that's a fact though. So get with your boy, Black Hippie. You already know what it is. Stop playing with me. So, uh, so today, or today's, as you can see, today is about creating your own uh, stencils, logos, uh, just things that you can use to make it easier on creating and promoting your brand and your logo. I love how the light behind me just looks like the sun is behind me. Salute to the energy. So I want to say this with saying that recently I made this shirt. You know what I mean? Got my little Black Hippie logo. You already know what it is. I did a little tie dyeing or bleach dyeing the shirt. Let me give you a little 360. You understand? Let me give you another 360. You know what I mean? You just might need to catch it again. Right? You need to catch it again. So I made this shirt and I've been trying to figure out many different ways of how to not only create my own style, my own way of doing things, but doing it at a rate of what market wants you, what you usually pay to go to printers, screen printers, or you go into other companies to get your logos made, to get them printed out, and all this other stuff. And I know a lot of people are spending a lot of money, and this is for the ones who don't really have the startup money. Because I know when it comes from when you don't have the startup money, or you don't have the investors, or you don't have the community of people behind you that's already buying product and pieces and things of that nature. So, I just want to say that here is something for you to keep in mind when it comes to your creating and when it comes to you building your brand. So I figured out a way to kind of make a stencil of my own brand and be able to duplicate it over and over and over and over. Now, I made this one logo that you see here. See this logo on my back? Right? Try to. Whew, that took some time. But see here? This is the stencil itself that I made. And now, with having the stencil made, I'm able to just put this logo on damn near anything I feel free to. Like this shirt. Like one of my jackets. You understand? It's something simple, something easy that you can do, and it's very cost efficient. You know what I mean? So if you want to learn how to do those things, if you want to learn how to customize your own t-shirts, hats, hoodies, creating logos, coming up with logos. If you need a logo done for me, if you need like a flat logo, just one color, basically an outline, hit me up because I can help you out with that, help you create your own logos. We can do whatever you need to, help you build your brand and company. And it also helps me continue to keep doing what I love doing, and, just like, comment, share, show you boys some love because I need your support. I don't want to use the word support. We got to find another word for support or for help. I need your energy. Let's say that. I need your energy. I need your positivity. I need your love. I need your uplifting. I need all of your good energy. All of it. You know what I'm saying? Um, so, like I said, if you're looking for something very simple, as to building a simple t-shirt, a simple logo, just something to just get your name and your brand out there, that's a great idea. If you want to see how I made that stencil, comment below, like this video, share this video, and I'll send this video to you for free. Most people I would have to charge, it's only $5. But the first three, the first three people to like, share, and comment this video, I will send you a personal DIY on how to make your own personal stencil. And you can do this for under maybe $30 or less, depending on how you flip it or how you do it. So, I did my own thing. I brought a few extra things, whether it be spray paint, tack sprays, tape, and all this other stuff that I purchased to do this. But, if you really need this for your brand, for your clothing brand, or it's just something you're trying to put together real quick for an event, for whatever you may be trying to doing, or a DIY setting, hit your boy up. Let me know what you're looking to get done. If I can help you in any way, let me help you. You know what I mean? I'm here to help you. Why are you playing with me? I want to help you. God damn it. I want to help you. I really do. Because I'm a helpful kind of guy. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not going to waste my time either. So, like I said, if you want a stencil of your own and you want to make it yourself, cool. I'll show you how to do it. If you would like for me to make a stencil for you, I can make one for you also. It's only $5. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all I'm charging. $5. If I gotta mail it to you, you just cover shipping and handling, which is not that much. So altogether, you're only paying like maybe $12, if anything, altogether. So you can get a stencil created for you for $5. If you need a screen made or a screen mesh made of your logo, we can get that going also. I don't have no screens or whatever, but pretty much, a screen, a mesh screen with your logo on it for you to print out logos and t-shirts at a very fast rate, my people. So if that's what you're looking for, if that's what you need, hit me up. Like I said, like, share, comment in the daggone comment section. Leave your information, inbox me, or you can email me. Just go to my like page, which is the Black Hippie Life. You dig? Check me out there. All my links and all my other feeds and media is on that page. So, like I said, if you want to know more about what I'm doing, just head on over to the Black Hippie Life. BLAK, no C, the BLAK, Black Hippie Life. One word, no space. You dig? We're working. We're trying to put some things together. I know the winter is getting here and people are looking for things. So holla at your boy. Get at me. Let's make something happen for you. Help me help you, and we can do great things. With that being said, peace to the universe.